Hello, in this video I'll show you how to calculate the orbital eccentricity. First, we're going to want the perigee, the lowest point in the orbit. I'm going for a theoretical 200 km by 400 km. You'll also need to add the diameter of Earth too. And we have apogee, which, like I said, is the highest point. Then we want the semi-major axis, which is the mean between the two values. Then we'll want the eccentricity, most important part. First we're going to get the apogee and then subtract the perigee from it. Then, after doing so, you will want to divide it by 2 times the semi-major axis. And actually remember to print it out. You have your orbital eccentricity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.